Goji berries and the third eye, ancient superfood for mind and body. Welcome to my channel, so glad you stopped by. Goji berries are more than a simple fruit, follow along to see what magic they can bring to us all. Unlocking the third eye with goji berries. Follow along to see how. In ancient traditions, the third eye, pineal gland, a tiny gland inside the brain, is believed to be the gateway to higher consciousness, intuition, and spiritual vision. Goji berries have been used in Taoist and Buddhist practices for centuries to nourish this energy center. Their high antioxidant and vitamin content is thought to support decalcification of the pineal gland, enhancing clarity, intuition, and deep meditation. Here is how to use goji berries for third eye activation. Eat a small handful before meditation to enhance focus. Brew goji berry tea and sip while practicing breathwork. Visualize the color indigo, linked to the third eye chakra, while eating them. Goji berries are a superfood with ancient roots. Goji berries have been used in Chinese, Tibetan, and Mongolian medicine for over 2,000 years. According to legend, a farmer discovered these berries after noticing how his crops thrived near a certain bush. He tasted the berries and felt an immediate boost in energy and vitality. Soon, they became a treasured part of traditional healing. They are a nutritional powerhouse. These tiny red berries are packed with nutrients that fuel the body and mind. They are loaded with vitamin C, as it strengthens the immune system. Vitamin A supports vision and skin health. B vitamins boosts energy and brain function. Iron and zinc, essential for healthy blood and immunity. Antioxidants and polysaccharides fight aging, reduce stress, and support longevity. Here are some other health benefits of goji berries. Enhances energy and mood, supports restful sleep and mental clarity. Boosts immunity, protects against illness and inflammation. Improves vision, contains zeaxanthin for eye health. Supports digestion and weight loss, high in fiber to aid in gut health. Balances blood sugar, helps regulate energy levels. Promotes radiant skin, antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing wrinkles and signs of aging. Here are more ways to enjoy goji berries. Eat them dried as a snack. Sprinkle over yogurt or oatmeal. Blend into smoothies and many more. So there you have it. Enjoy goji berries, they are well worth it. If you found this video informative, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more videos like these. See you at the next video, bye for now.